sun's going down. We're getting lit up out here. So the purpose of this right here is if this shark takes off, these lights are going to run. So that way, but also you're going to hear it. But yeah, we're going to check everything out here. And we got Josh over here going to go set up. He's throwing out for some whiting and some other bait fish. Yeah, right now we have definitely got it going. We've been digging sand fleas. Well, that's all I can smell now is sand fleas.
Love the smell of sand fleas in the evening.
Well, we got James over here from Land Base. This is the time I really wish I'd have bought the light mod, but I didn't. So I might have to lighten this up later on.
I'm gonna lighten it up right now. Hi, everybody.
But yeah, once we get on, we're gonna bring y'all back and we're gonna have some fun.